In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and inject custom code on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to add advanced functionality, enhance your site's design, or integrate third-party tools, knowing how to safely and correctly work with Squarespace's code injection feature can open up endless possibilities for customization. Stick around as I walk you through each step of the process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident making these changes on your site. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Squarespace homepage. Once you're there, log into your account. Now, if your Squarespace account is linked to a Google account, you can also choose the Continue with Google option and then select the appropriate Google account to proceed. Either method will get you into your account, so just pick the one that works best for you. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your website dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. The dashboard is essentially your control center for managing your website, including accessing advanced features like code injection. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Squarespace. Now, locate the magnifying glass icon, which serves as the search feature within Squarespace. You'll usually find it on the dashboard interface. Click that icon, and then type the word code into the search bar. Once you've entered the search term, press enter. This will bring up a list of related options. From the search results, look for and select the option labeled Code Injection. Clicking on this will take you directly to the code injection editor. Now let's pause for a moment here. This editor is a powerful tool that allows you to add custom HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or other scripts to your website. It's perfect for making deeper customizations that go beyond what Squarespace's built-in features can offer. Before you jump into adding code, it's essential to check your account plan. Keep in mind that the code injection feature is typically available only for premium or upgraded Squarespace accounts. If you're on a free or basic plan and don't see this option, you may need to upgrade your account to unlock this functionality. Once you've confirmed you have access to the code injection feature, you can begin adding your desired code. The editor provides flexibility by offering fields for the header, the footer, or specific pages. Think of these fields as the locations where your code will run. For example, you might add tracking scripts like Google Analytics in the header, while custom design tweaks might go in the footer. Choose the appropriate field based on the purpose of your code. Before making any changes, it's crucial to back up your website. This step is often overlooked, but it's incredibly important. Backing up ensures that if something goes wrong, like a mistake in the code or an incompatible script, you can easily restore your site to its previous state without losing your hard work. Once you've added your code, the next step is to test your changes thoroughly. Improperly written code can sometimes affect your site's functionality or appearance. Spend some time checking how your site behaves after the changes. Look for broken elements, unexpected layouts, or any errors. And just as a reminder, make sure that any code you're using complies with Squarespace's terms of service to avoid any issues down the line. And there you have it. That's how you access and use the code injection feature on Squarespace to take your website customizations to the next level. By following these steps, you've learned how to locate the code injection editor, ensure your account is eligible, and safely add and test custom code. If you have any questions or run into challenges, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.